politician leader. He was popularly known as Baba Sahib Ambedkar. He was born 14th April 1891 in Madhya Pradesh. His father Ramji and mother name was Bhima Bai. Do you know his history? He was the boy who was forced to walk out of the classroom with his state and bag. Years later, he became the man who walked into Parliament Hall holding the greatest document of Indian history, the Constitution of India. He faces much more discrimination in his life, but this is not determine his goal. His goal proper India, to future India with social justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. The progress of society depends on the progress of education in the society. Discipline should also improve along with education, as education without discipline is of zero value. எக்குடி பிறப்பினும் யாவரை ஆயினும் அக்குடியில் கற்ற